A massive snowstorm paralyzes France, Spain and Andorra. Across the Pyrenees Mountains, an extraordinary blanket of snow has engulfed France, Spain and Andorra, halting daily life and putting the resilience of residents and visitors to the ultimate test. In Andorra, heavy snowfall since Saturday has brought life to a near halt. The port of Envalira, a vital route, has been closed in its final section, forcing travelers to use the Pas de la Case tunnel, which now requires special equipment to navigate safely. In Spain, the Huesca Pyrenees bore the brunt of the Arctic air mass that swept into the region over the weekend. The State Meteorological Agency, Aemet, issued a red alert for snow and wind, warning of treacherous conditions. The relentless snowfall, accompanied by fierce winds and plunging temperatures, has caused widespread disruptions, from closed roads and power outages to stranded travelers and emergency rescues. In the high Pyrenees of France, the valleys received around 30 centimeters of snow, with much larger accumulations at higher altitudes. Provincial road services worked tirelessly to clear the roads, but the challenges multiplied as trees fell across key routes, particularly in the Aemet Valley. Motorists found themselves stranded in hazardous conditions, especially in the Aragnuet-Bielsa sector near the cross-border tunnel between France and Spain, as well as the Piau-Engali area. Emergency crews were deployed throughout the night to assist and rescue those in need. Firefighters from the nearby town of Portepimorens carried out dramatic rescues in the middle of the night, using snowcats to save stranded passengers. This marks the second time in a week that Andorra's municipal rescue plan has been activated, following a tragic bus accident earlier. The Portale Pass was shut down due to avalanche risks on the French side, leaving many routes impassable. Emergency teams faced a monumental challenge as heavy snow and icy roads disrupted transportation and isolated communities. France, already battling the effects of the storm in the Pyrenees, also faced severe impacts in Brittany and Normandy. Storm Dara unleashed winds reaching up to 130 km per hour, causing widespread damage and power outages. By Sunday midday, approximately 20,000 homes in Brittany and 12,000 in Normandy were without electricity. In Nedis, the electricity provider attributed the outages to falling trees and debris that damaged power lines. The situation in Normandy was further compounded by disruptions to rail services. The Nomad train rail network was completely suspended until Monday morning, with nearly 60 incidents of fallen trees and debris reported on tracks between Rouen and Le Havre. Amid the chaos, emergency services across the affected regions have demonstrated remarkable determination and coordination. From clearing snow-covered roads to rescuing stranded travelers in sub-zero conditions, their efforts have been vital in mitigating the storm's impact. Local communities have shown resilience and solidarity, coming together to help neighbors and support emergency operations. Authorities continue to emphasize the importance of caution and preparedness, urging residents to avoid unnecessary travel and stay safe.